Hello, this is Jessica, and I'm doing a tutorial, like a show and tell, like a watch me work session. So first I want to show you the inside of my Claude. This is not Claude Code, this is Claude Cowork. And Claude and I have been building this yellow highlighter tool for some time now, and I have been iterating with it about how to improve it. And I've built out two colorways. And so I'm working on the timing of it, and I'm working on the function of it and the colors. And let's see if I can show you. Yeah, here's the HUD where I can change the color of it. And um, Claude was Claude was like suggesting a Deuteranopia colorblind safe theme. So that's this blue one. So watch this. I have different types of clicks here. So this is a main click. It's a pulse. That's a middle click, also a pulse, and then a contextual click, which is I'm a lefty, so it's the ring finger click. And it's a purple ring, and this is a main click. It's a blue pulse. And if I were to click and drag, I have a comment. So Claude Code, no, Claude Cowork, and I have made this. And so today I was like refining some of the speed of it and whether or not it can catch up to my mouse when I really do a tutorial. So that's what I'm testing now. So the yellow has a different, I want to show you the yellow. That's a main click, and that's a contextual click and a click and drag. Okay, so now I'm going to go, I mean, I fixed the keyboard shortcut. See, I gave approval. I was like, yes, fix the shortcut. So now it's Control Shift Q. Now that's to quit it. I'm going to open up Illustrator because what I want to do is just work and have you watch me work. And I'm going to put it to the blue theme here. So that's good. Now we're inside Illustrator. So even though I'm an AI artist, I do work by hand in Illustrator. So I'm going to clear my screen here. All right, so I am working on a abstract concept. So these are different colors that I have made it. I made this original drawing on my tablet in an app called Amasiograph, and then I redrew it with a pen tool on my Wacom tablet after I imported the this is like the export from Amasiograph, and I found that the image trace tool didn't do very well. I've tested this a lot, and I've been working with it a lot. So this is like an early version of it. And up here I have worked on the pathing. And the idea is I want to be able to, run a lawnmower in these little trails. And this is almost like designing a path inside a strip of grass with a lawnmower. So I've got a half brick situation going on where you can follow the trail around, and it does this half brick and it never ends. So it's an endless lawn mow trail. Okay. And this is a hand done perfect seamless repeat. And what I'm going to do is rebuild it because I've made another adjustment to the quality of the curves. I wanted to apply some texture to the grass, but it failed. I have it's too complex to do a clipping mask with these tiny little spatter marks, which is what I was thinking. So instead of that, I'll just redraw it. Let me get my measurements in front of me. So in order to get this done, I have to have the measurements of this background square. So that is going to be 3.5 by 5 inches. Feels a little small at this point. I could make it bigger, but I've already written down my measurements for what is half of that. So let's show you how a half brick works. First of all, I've got this entire group is a group, and I'm going to transform it. I've got a width of 3.5. You have to put 0 in there. You can't just clear it. Now I have 2 of them. And now I'm going to move them down a full height. Transform. And I'm going to go across a 0. I'm going to go down the full height of 5, which is on paper in front of me as an easy reference. And now I'm going to do this half and half. So transform, move. Okay, horizontal forward 1.75 and vertical is going to be 2.5. Copy. And then I think what I do is I just fudge it because I need to fill this hole. So I need one more. So I'm going to go vertical 0. And I'm going to go probably negative 3.5 inches. Negative 3.5. I think this will work. Yeah. And then what happened is there's double. So I'm going to unselect it. And I know the center one is doubled. So I'm selecting only the top one, deleting it. Ta-da, there's my seamless repeat. Okay, so I've already got that repeat block in the back, which is no fill, no stroke, and that's the magic of doing these. And you can see it on the layers pane. And if I make oh, that's it. No stroke, no fill. So there's the colored rectangle, and there's that. The magic rectangle that makes this repeat work. So, like take everything, pull it over, unselect it, make a clear rectangle, then fill it with the new one. Then we can look at it. Let's see how it is. Okay. No blips. Pretty good. Okay. So that one is compared to this one. Let's see. Oops. I want to put them next to each other. They're from different batches. So that's how you make the patterns, is just work on it little by little, improve it a little at a time, drag a new pattern swatch, try it. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay, I've got enough data. I'm going to stop the screen share.